Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HSGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And quite the eventful day. However, when all the dust has settled and the closing bell rang, nothing really new to update other than just kind of confirmation would be more of an accurate term. The main point of confirmation comes via 23 cents here, the value of this red line, which in Tuesday's video I talked about resistance. And yeah, it was temporarily broken. So I would agree that this level has been weakened up because, the price was able to get above it. Problem is the price didn't last above it. And then when it fell back below it, that's when the chart experienced that pretty nasty 30-minute period there where the price went all the way down there. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of fighting back nicely and, push the price back upwards a little bit there. But point being that, yes, even though 23 cents was broken as resistance, because the price still closed below it, it's still got to be considered a level of resistance going forward. So even if it's a weakened level of resistance, again, it is still a level of resistance nonetheless. So continue to watch 23 cents. And then if the price can push up through there, that is where 25 cents would be the next key level, which I suppose right there got relatively close to it, got within the ballpark. But again, before you even focus any more on 25, prices first got to get back above 23 cents. As far as areas of support, everything is still perfectly fine. The overall trend is still perfectly fine. Now, I get it. If you are some sort of flipper or day trader or scalper and you bought there or you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well then yeah, from that perspective, then the chart's not looking very bullish for you. But from the big picture point of view, everything is still perfectly fine. The price remains nicely above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And as I've said in past videos, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So from the big picture, broader time horizon point of view, as long as the price remains above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls remain in full control of the overall chart. So again, sure, the price pulled back here, but overall the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. And as long as those higher bases are being built over extended periods of time, that's how the long-term uptrends are constructed. So wild day today, still a couple days left this week, so let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.